Our new 2024 heavy-duty 18-gauge structural steel modules. This is the best product we've ever designed in over 20 years of supplying outdoor kitchen frames to contractors and homeowners. This thick 18-gauge steel will support the most weight of any barbecue modules we've ever sold to the public. This is absolutely incredible. And the new size, this new smaller size steel tubing gives more space to make it easier to fit your appliances. You can even make smaller depth modules now, like a 24-inch return depth module, and now your refrigerator will fit no problem. Guys, sometimes people think bigger is always better, but not in this case. Smaller is better when it's a thicker, heavier duty steel, and especially when you're trying to fit appliances like a door underneath a grill and different situations like this. Smaller framing allows you to fit those appliances much easier.
Hey guys, you may see on the internet people building their outdoor kitchens out of steel stud and track. Well, I went down to our local Home Depot, spent a couple $100, bought this steel stud and track, and look how flimsy it is, guys. This is what you want to build your outdoor kitchen with, that's going to hold your heavy grill and appliances and really expensive stuff. This is just so outdated and not a way to do this anymore. You can see the wobble on it. Use our barbecue tube system. It just makes the most sense. It's the same price that you're going to do this for. It's way less hassle with our connectors and our steel tubes that go together like Legos. It's so easy. There's just no reason to even use this old outdated system anymore.
Now we're going to take our 4-foot module that we built with steel track and studs from the Home Depot and show how this is not structural steel to support heavy items, especially a garbage container dumpster like we did with our frame. We're going to lower it down, but we'll see what happens here. Uh-oh, it's starting to shift. No, stop, we can't do it. It's too weak. The Home Depot sells crap. You can't use studs and track on an outdoor kitchen frame. No way. It just doesn't compare. It's not structural studs and tracks. It shouldn't be used for a barbecue island, especially this thin gauge steel materials here. Introducing our new 2024 heavy-duty steel framing system. This is the strongest frame we've ever built, and we're going to put this 3,000-pound dumpster on top of our frame to show its super strength. Look at that. Now he's going ahead and he's pulling away from the dumpster to show that this is completely supported by our steel frame. Wow, we got it. This is the strongest module we have ever built. This will support heavy concrete, stone veneer, siding, granite slabs, the biggest grills that you can buy. This is the ultimate steel framing system for an outdoor kitchen. And it's with a smaller size steel tubing, but the secret is we're using 18-gauge structural galvanized steel. And it's good in all weather conditions, from California all the way to Florida, all the way to the cold countries in Wisconsin. This is the ultimate outdoor kitchen steel framing system.